Hello, I'm Abhinav Mida. I'm from Lucknow. Now, if I talk about myself, interesting enough, which is not even mentioned into my CV, is that I possess a creative streak. To justify that, I would say that we created a movie. I, with a couple of my friends, created a movie. It was a normal presentation which we have to give, so we decided to do something creative and we made a movie out of it. We don't know how to do it. We don't have a technical sound knowledge of doing movie part or operating a movie software. So we have gone onto the YouTube, logged onto it, watched some know-how, couple of videos, learn out of it, and we with few hit and trials downloaded the software and did it. The movie was pretty much appreciated by the faculty members, students, and the other people who have gone through it. Apart from this, there is a one friend of mine who is working with Purani Delhi Talkies (PDT). It is a viral video channel on YouTube. It creates a video like AIB, Being Indian, Scoop Poop, and all. So I regularly go with the brainstorming session in order to polish the concept which they have, or creating the new concepts of the upcoming videos and all. I even won the first prize for the business strategy in the Ganges soap, which was discontinued by the Godrej couple of years back. Even the first prize for this business idea, in which I gave an idea of providing the learning solutions to the students free of cost and earning money out of it without investing anything or investing a least amount of money into it. Now, if I talk about the startups these days, why startups? Why I'm ready to go into the startups? Startups these days have an immense potential, as we have seen from last companies or a couple of companies which have gone up in the couple of years have taken the market like a storm. Even putting the idea that they are the risky or the unstable places to work irrelevant. So, if I talk about myself or connecting to me, the startups, it excites me. It excites me a lot just because of the reason my potentials and my skills would be polished. Even the ideas which I do get during the working process and all, I would get an exposure to get noticed. If I've given into a big MNC, it has a culture, it has a work culture, how to do it, where the ideas go unnoticed. So I would prefer going into the sector or the company where my ideas get noticed a lot. Now, if I talk about the Fab Hotels, Fab Hotels is a new industry, it's a startup. If I talk about Fab Hotels, why Fab Hotels? Fab Hotels is into the customer service sector as well as into the hospitality. If I talk about customer service sector, if you go through my resume, you will find that I did an internship with the Customer Interaction Center with BMW Financial Services, where we have to satisfy the customer 100% anyhow. So I know how to satisfy the customers. It's really very tough, but it's a very good job to do so. It's an exciting job, and as it is a saying that happy customers are the loyal customers. So to make the customer happy, to make the customer loyal, we have to make them happy and satisfied enough. As well as Fab Hotels provide the inns throughout the country. So being in starter, if I choose my career with a startup company, with a startup company, where my ideas go noticed, even the internship program or the experience which I have with the customer service sector get noticed. So it is a better segment or a best job opportunity for me to do so. Thank you.